made pleasures.
Yes.
In respect of item number 13, 14, 15, my lord, the petitioner have filed an affidavit just now, my lord. That is why, my lord, I pray for the adjournment of the matter, my lord, and to take up first week of December. Any date first week of December, my lord.
Who is for the petitioner?
Lordship, in 14 and 15, I appear for the petition.
And
We have filed
13?
an additional 14 and 15.
13.
Similar matter.
Mr. D. Goswami, learned additional AG Assam, appearing for the respondent in this case, submits that a copy of the additional affidavit filed on behalf of the writ petitioners in these writ petitions have been served upon him only this morning, and therefore 2 weeks
After
time,
12th, in fact.
2 weeks time be granted for filing rejoinder. Full stop.
If necessary,
If necessary, full stop. The learned counsel for the writ petitioners are present and does not have any objection. If the and do not have any objection if the prayer is allowed. In view of the above, admission hearing of these matters stand adjourned for 3 weeks. List again in the second week of December
yes. Indeed.
2024. Yes.
Oblige.
May please, your lord. My lord, I am praying for listing of the matter, my lord, 2021 matter. Matter relates to selection and appointment of the post of assistant engineer. May I pray for listing on Friday, my lord?
No, third week of November. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship. My lord, I am back to mention item 19 to 24. These are contempt matters, my lord. I am appearing for the respondents' contemners. My lord, connected with petitions are listed on 19th, my lord. I have taken the consent of my learned friend.
These are contempt petitions. I'm appearing for the petitioners in 2019. I'm waiting since. The order was to reinstate us. Now he's talking about the writ petitions where there
My
are
lord,
different.
why I am saying so? My lord, the government.
Let the matter.
No, why I'm saying, Lordship will kindly appreciate, the government is taking a decision in these matters. If the decision goes in their favor, my lord, on 19th, my lord, those cases are fixed, my lord. And I am receiving the instructions. I'll get the instructions on 19th, my lord. So after 19th on any day, my lord, if the decision goes in their favor, this becomes infructuous, my lord.
Let us see.
My lord,
Let
correct.
these matters be called up.
My lord, oblige.
Yes.
This pension matter may be listed for admission.
Third week of November.
Oblige.
All prayers of listing admission matters third week of November. Before that, I will not allow anyone. If you have any, give this. Right, third week of November.
I beg to mention for item number 16, your lordship, can you be passed over for the day, your lordship?
On the prayer of learned counsel for the petitioner, these matters stands passed over for the day. Yes.
Okay, I have a mention for listing of a new writ petition, Lordship.
New writ petition.
New writ petition, Lordship.
When do you want it?
Any day as per convenience of this court, in a tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow.
Yeah.
Tomorrow is not possible. Yes.
May I please, your lordship, in item number 29, there is an affidavit has been filed on 8th of November. It has not been tagged along. We may be allowed to get it tagged with the records, your honor.
Yes.
May I please, your Lordship, for listing for motion, Lordship. For releasing of motion.
What is the
Pensionary
matter?
benefit.
What is the matter?
Pensionary benefit, releasing of pensionary benefit.
Friday, Wednesday.
Yes, Lordship.
May I please, your lordship, I am praying for listing of a pending contempt matter, my lord, in orders column, my lord.
Third week of November. I'm obliged.
May it please, your Lordship. Lordship, I filed an IA to strike off petitioners, some petitioners, my lord. May I pray on next Monday, my lord?
Next, yes.
May please the lordship. Lordship, I'd like to pray for listing of a new item for tomorrow, lordship. The analogous matter is already listed tomorrow. It is with regard to that associate professor of the mental hospital, lordship. It may be, this matter may be tagged in, lordship, this new matter with that, which is already listed tomorrow.
No, you want a motion.
Yes, lordship.
Motion will come on its turn. Tomorrow you make a mention on that matter.
Lordship, we have filed this today.
Motion cannot be listed tomorrow. If you want it to be taken up along with motion,
yes,
then when the matter comes up tomorrow,
okay,
then you make a mention. We'll have it listed on Wednesday along with the motion.
Lordship, much obliged.
Your lordship, praying for listing pending writ petition.
Third week of November. Yes.
Daily list for motion item 1.
Yes.
Instruction was sought for by the government advocate.
My lord, I have an instruction, my lord. I'm just placing it.
Yes. What is the instruction?
My lord, DLC has considered his case, my lord. It is there in the flag, my lord, orange flag I have marked, my lord.
What has happened in the SLC?
SLC, my lord. My lord, SLC found that yes, he is eligible, but there is no vacancy.
So SLC has, my lord, recommended
Hmm.
it to the concerned department, my lord, this irrigation department,
Hmm.
to find out if there is any vacancy in other departments. So, my lord, at this stage, my lord, my prayer will let notice go, my lord, and let irrigation file an affidavit, what they have done after that, my lord. My lord, it is there in the orange flag, that instruction, my lord.
No, but that is a recommendation of June 2023. More than nearly 1.5 years.
My lord,
Yes. Yes,
if
please.
notice goes, my lord, then this irrigation council is there, my lord. He will get the instruction, my lord, that what they have done, my lord.
Oh. Who is appearing for irrigation?
Irrigation NN Upadhyay, my lord. Name is not shown, my lord. Maybe he was not served with copy. Copy was served. His name is not shown in the course list.
Copy should be DS.
नाम show करेगा.
Naam so far.
Take down hard Mr. B. Chatterjee and counsel appearing for the writ petitioner. Peruse the statements made in the writ petition. The petitioner had submitted application for appointment in a grade 4 post on compassionate ground after the untimely demise of his father, who was serving as a grade 4 employee in the establishment of the executive engineer from a Mongoldoy division irrigation. First up, the application submitted by the petitioner was forwarded by the DLC, and the SLC on examination of the same found the petitioner to be eligible for appointment on compassionate ground. However, due to want of vacancies, the SLC had directed the department to explore to examine as to whether any suitable vacancy is available for accommodating the petitioner, and thereafter revert back to the SLC. Mr. Mr. A. Dhar, R. Dhar, an additional senior government advocate Assam, has produced a copy of the resolution adopted by the SLC in its meeting held on 26/6/2023 in support of its above submission. Therefore, it is apparent that the irrigation department will now have to respond to the grievance of the petitioner. However, the learned standing counsel for the irrigation department is not present today. In view of the above, issue notice of motion returnable on 18th of December 2024. Since Mr. Dhar has appeared and accepted notice for response numbers
2 and 4, my lord, I am appearing.
2 and 4, no formal notice is required to be sent to the said respondent. Petitioner to serve copies of the writ petition upon the learned standing council irrigation department on behalf of respond numbers 1, 3 and 5. After obtaining written acknowledgement, registered to list this matter again on 18/12/2024 by reflecting the name of learned SC irrigation department in the court list. Take steps, let them come up with an answer.
Only.
There is something in your favor.
Yes.
Yes, man.
My lord, since whole this proposal was also sent as per
Yes.
the clause 15, my lord. In terms of this honorable court's order. Obliged.
May I please?
Yes.
My lord, on earlier occasion, my lord, learned government advocate took time, my lord, for instruction, taking instruction.
Yes.
My lord, no instruction has come, my lord.
Why?
My lord, we have written a letter, my lord. My lord, I will say last week was real difficult for us, my lord. Last week, 4 days was holiday in Assam, my lord, government holidays, my lord. And in between, there is only one Friday. Most of the people, my lord, they avail that also somehow, my lord. And my lord, whole week, my lord, we had real difficulty, my lord. Nobody was there, my lord. That is the thing, my lord.
You are complaining against holidays.
Last week, my lord, it happened like that, my lord. All, my lord. There's a coincidence, my lord.
So and so is present for the petitioner on the request of Mr. R. Dhar, learned additional senior government advocate Assam, and Mr. S. Datta, learned SC, PNRD, SC Revenue Department Assam. This matter is directed to be posted for motion again in the next week, so as to give them one more opportunity to obtain it.
Item 3.
Obliged. In this case, instruction was sought for from the government advocate lordship regarding suspension. And lordship, I have not been receiving lordship a subsistence allowance.
My lord, here also this, it has not come, my lord. I have written a letter, my lord, same very day on 4/11.
Mr. M. Khan, learned counsel for the petitioner, on the request of Mr. R. Dhar, learned additional government advocate Assam, this matter is directed to be listed again on 19/11/2024 for motion as a fixed item, so as to give him one final opportunity to obtain inspection. We'll dispose of the matter. On the
My lord, I will get this.
May I please, lordship? My lord, as per lordship order, I have submitted amended cost title lordship. My lord, matter amended cost title, I have already submitted lordship. The matter pertains to my lord, my candidature was rejected at page number 78 and directed to make prefer appeal within the same day lordship.
So there are orders.
Yes, I have this order lordship.
You give the order. So we'll dispose it of.
Yes.
It is the last order where
This order passed on 6 lordship, on 6/11/2024 lordship.
Yes.
how many petitioners?
Only one petition.
Only one petition. So only one petitioner. Disposed of. Mr. Namtu. Mr. Yes.
Item 5.
May I please, lordship? This is also a suspension matter lordship, and he was placed under suspension lordship with effect from 12/3/2024. Till date lordship, the order has not been reviewed, and my subsistence allowance has also been held.
Heard Mr. M. Khan, learned counsel for the writ petitioner, perused the amendments made in the writ petition. It appears that the petitioner, who was serving as a Lat Mondal in Boitamari Revenue Circle in the district of Bongaigaon, was placed under suspension by invoking Rule 6(2) of the Assam Service Discipline and Appeal Rules 1964. Wide order dated 12/2/2000.
Order dated
3.
14/3.
Order dated
14/3/2024.
2024. The grievance of the petitioner is that despite the lapse of more than 90 days since the date of suspension, the order has neither been reviewed nor revoked. First, that apart, the petitioner has also not been paid subsistence allowance till date. Hence this writ petition. Mr.
My lord, show cause is issued.
Huh?
Show cause is issued, my lord. Within
Reasoning order is to be passed.
show cause is issued, my lord.
Issued, but that's not a ground. You have to review it,
Yes, my lord.
extend it.
Yes.
Mr. R. Dhar, additional government advocate, additional senior government advocate Assam, and Mr. S. Datta, Learned Standing Council Revenue Department Assam, have both prayed for time till 20/11/2020 to obtain preliminary instruction. They are allowed 2 extra copies of the writ petition to be furnished to the Learned Department Council. This case again on 20/11/2024 for motion.
Item 6.
Wait, Lordship, this is a writ petition challenging the fact that the petitioner of your lordships who has acquired a disability has not been granted his due this thing. He was selected against the recruitment process, and your lordships will find that the advertisement was initially issued at page 33 and the result was published at page 41 and 42. If I may just take your lordship to the result.
the results at page 41, annexure E. This is for the post of junior manager, where I was called for written test, interview, everything. And you'll also find my name at page 42, serial number 71. I was selected against the low vision category, Your Lordships. LV is low vision. It's a person with disability. Now, after that, Your Lordship, they called for certain other document verification and everything. And despite having done all of that, for some reason, my appointment was not given to me. Now, thereafter, I heard from other candidates that they have been offered the post of the junior manager, whereas I have been left out. So naturally, I went to the authorities trying to find out as to what was the reason why I was not called for the selection post. And I was told that I should appear before the GMCH again for a re-verification of my low vision category, which I did. As per their verbal advice, they did not write this down for me. They told me verbally that you should go and get another certification done. I got that done also. And in the month of August, I again gave them that certification. Despite that, Your Lordships, no progress in the matter.
Where is the certificate?
Your Lordships will find that at page 50. Not that I do not have a disability card. The disability card I have annexed, Your Lordships. That was issued by the competent authority, which is at page 30. This is my disability certificate. And the re-verification is at page 50, annexure L. Now, the other two persons who were also selected under the low vision category have been given the post. I am the only one who's been left out for some reason. And despite several...
Other two are placed below you in this?
No, Your Lordship, they were above me. They were above me in the list. I can point it out to Your Lordships. One was at serial number 70, and one was at serial number 45. And there were 3 posts which were vacant for low vision, Your Lordship. That Your Lordship will find at page 33 in the advertisement, Your Lordships.
Yes, you are appearing, Mr. Patoki?
Yeah. I'm appearing for the respondent number 1, 2, 3, Milord.
Yes.
Milord, what happened, Milord? As per the petitioner itself, selected all 71 were asked to appear before the medical board for examination of their. Probably against this petitioner, Milord, there is a certificate regarding the low value visual as per more than less than the prescribed percentage, Milord. And
they're in the record.
How is that? How is
No,
that
I'll
possible?
produce
How
the
is this-
record, Milord.
How is he saying this, Your Lordship? I've produced the certificate of the GMCH. 60% they have said themselves. And my
Milord,
disability card also says the same thing.
Miss Chaudhary.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Milord,
No, Mr. Kotak, please come to page 50.
Page?
Page 50.
I'm coming.
See, this is the certificate
My lord,
issued by the authorities of GMC, looks like,
my lord,
and that is dated 26th of July 2020.
my lord,
That is after the select list,
my lord.
correct? And here it is mentioned that it is 60% visual impairment.
Impediment 60%.
Yes, that's
Yes.
the benchmark.
Benchmark is 40, less than 40%. My lord, what happened in this case,
More than 40%.
More than what?
less than,
More than, it can't be less than.
More than
More than 40% disability is the benchmark. He has 60%. Please have a look at page 50.
no, I'm coming to my.
All right, can you please get the instructions, preliminary instruction? Will you please?
Preliminary instruction, my lord, as per the medical board report, is less than the 40%.
And the records are saying it is 60%, so.
No, my lord, that is what happened. We have asked the government to constitute a medical board, power department. Power department was constituted a medical board at GMC. And we asked them to appear before the medical board.
These are all
A
public.
medical board submitted a report to us.
That is the report she is saying at page.
No, not that. Medical report, I have, my lord. My lord, you can have a look.
Do you have the medical report?
My lord, the 1 page is there, my lord.
Okay. Page number?
If you have lordship, I'll produce the entire report.
That's what I'm saying. You fix it on when?
Next week, any day.
19th or 20th, you choose. Ms.
Second,
R.S. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel appearing for the writ petitioner. Whereas the averments made in the writ petition, the petitioner is aggrieved due to the fact that despite being selected for appointment against low vision bracket LV category having benchmark disability of more than 60%, no order of appointment has been issued in his favor, although other similarly situated candidates have already been appointed. According to the petitioner's counsel, following the advice of the authorities, the petitioner had appeared before the specially constituted medical board of the GMC authorities, who had issued a certificate on 26/7/2024, reaffirming that the disability of the petitioner was 60%. Despite the same, the respondents have not considered his case. First of Mr. S. Kotaji, understanding counsel for the AEGCL, appearing for respondent numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, have prayed for time till 20/11/2024 to obtain preliminary instruction responding to the allegations made in the writ petition. Prayer allowed. This case again on 20/11/2024 for motion. 2 extra copies of the writ petition will be furnished to Mr.
It's less than 60% as per advertisement. It's less than 60%, 40%. As per advertisement.
Candidates who do not have, who have disability less than 40% will not be considered. That
Candidate
is-
with less than
Exactly.
40% disability will not be
Yes, so I'm above 40%, I'm 60%.
60%.
That's what she's saying.
That's
Less
what
than
I'm saying.
40%, no. But he is more than 40%, he is 60%.
My lord, as per our instruction, my lord, according to the medical board, my lord, 23%.
Who
That's the,
constitutes this medical board and under what authority do they issue that certificate, your lordships? Let him place that on record. I will-
no.
Please
Lordship,
hold
may I
your
just-
horses till 20.
My lord, she appeared before the medical board as per our director. This is not the report submitted by the medical board, which she annexed.
All right.
I'll put it in the record, my
This is
lord. I'll
not a
put it.
matter to fight tooth and nail.
No, my lord, I'll put it.
If he is not eligible, he is not eligible. But
Lordships, may I just pray that post may not be filled up in the meanwhile. That
question doesn't have.
We
a-
are not filling
There
up.
are no other
no other
candidate.
candidate,
Then
of course, but.
how can that post be filled up?
Deeply understood.
UFO? Acha. Mr. So-and-so for so-and-so and so-and-so for so-and-so.
Obliged.
Yes,
Please, your lordship.
Mr. Patwari.
My lord,
What have you come up with today?
the petitioner is praying,
You always come up with jostling matters, huh?
my lord, simultaneous proceeding, my lord.
Hmm.
Similar matters are fixed on 14th.
Simultaneous proceeding, so what happened? Some matters. are-
Yes, my lord, I'm giving that order, your lordship. I'm praying for perimeter release.
So, what is the point in issuing notice?
Yes,
Just 2-3 days to go. We
Let it
just
come
post it on.
14th, your lordship.
Mr. J. Patwari, learned counsel for the petitioner, also heard Mr. D. Bora, learned learned government advocate Assam. It is submitted at the bar. The similar matters are fixed before this court on 14/11/2024. In view of the above, list this case again on 14/11/2024, along with WPC number 5384/2024 and connected matters. First of having regard to the facts and circumstances of the case, it is provided that and the interim orders passed in other similar cases, it is provided that the departmental proceeding initiated against the writ petitioner shall remain suspended
My lord, item number 9 also,
until further orders. Item 9, same order.
same.
Report online, Nico. The issue involved in this writ petition pertains to the question as to whether departmental proceeding and criminal proceeding based on same set of facts and supported by the same set of witnesses can proceed simultaneously or not. Stop. Then 9 also same.
9 also,
Until further orders.
deeply rooted.
So then why don't
Pleasure,
we
Your
issue
Lordship.
notice? You are appearing for all the respondents.
May I pleasure, your
In
lordship?
that matter,
Which?
are you appearing for all the respondents?
Yes.
Then you make it issue notice returnable on 14/11. Since Mr. Bora has appeared and accepted notice for all the responses, rest will be same, extra copies. 9 also same, yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, for the post of constable GDA, they are petitioner back to state they are arbitrarily rejected the ground of height. The wrong measurement. The provision is same day for appeal. I have annexed the similar order.
Similar, order. Who's for the respondent? Who is appearing in this case? Is there a CGC available? You wait, can you call a CGC? Change code. Change over, change over. On the wrong.
Professional appointment, my lord. The occasions, though he was qualified, but not recommended for vacancy, my daughter. Ultimately, my lord, on the 19/9/23, that is, he has been found eligible and against the vacant position. The lordship will find at page 32. Sorry, madam.
But compassionate appointment has been discontinued since 2017.
Well, after pursuant to this direction of this honorable court, madam, this matter has been considered, madam. The lordship will find.
Considered is fine, but if it is discontinued, then how appointment can be made? Did it
Yes, yes, yes.
come up before the court that despite discontinuance, he should be still considered?
No, my lord.
These are orders passed in ignorance of the developments.
And my lord, I think that matter has been challenged before the division bench.
There is no interim order that.
No
that
interim order.
Which matter? Which matter?
This compassionate.
This scheme, lordship, they have filed.
I am not coming under this scheme, my lord. On 15, that 2015 OM, my lord.
New
Mr. B. Sinal on a counsel for the petitioner, peruse the amendments made in the petition. Mr. H. Chakraborty, Leonard G. Assam has questioned the maintainability of the petition on the ground that a scheme for appointment on compassionate ground has already been withdrawn. However, it appears that the said decision of the government is under challenge in a proceeding pending before the division bench. In view of the above NOM 8 weeks, since so-and-so appears and accepts notice for all the respondents, no formal notice, extra.
Obliged.
Question of maintainability of the petition is kept open.
May I please, lordship? Petitioner participated in the constable GD examination, my lord, but her height or my lord, he was rejected due to height relaxation.
Height is fine, but where is the CGC? All height matter, what to do? Are you aware? Where is Ms. Barua? As Barua?
Else,
Huh?
for the time being, lordship, my
Then we'll have it next week. What is matter?
urgency there.
What is the urgency?
At a time being.
No, there is no, what urgency is there?
Playlist will be published, my lord. Now the interview is going on, my lord.
Yes, it will be published. What can be done? You are already late.
No, my lord. On
Let the
22
CGC come.
Oh, yes, my lord.
Thank you, Your Lordship. My lord, here we have challenged the impugned order dated 25/10/2024 at page 29, my lord. The petitioner is a medical and health officer of the Silchar SMZ hospital, my lord. By this order, my lord, the registration was
Which is the
cancelled.
order you are challenging? Which order you are challenging?
Lordship,
This
page
my-
29.
29. Annexure D, my lord.
License has been suspended.
Yes, Lord.
Yes, my lord. This is
Otherwise, Lordship, here's an alternate remedy, Lordship. The fourth line from the bottom, Lordship, first paragraph, Lordship, of the same order, Lordship. However, he will be at liberty to appeal against the decision of the council before the Assam government as mentioned in section 25 of Assam Medical Council Act 1999 or before the Ethics and Medical Registration Board of National Medical Commission as mentioned in section 33 of the National Medical Commission Act 2019. So Lordship,
My
there is
lord,
the
here, my lord,
remedy,
as per this
Lordship.
order, my lord, they are saying that after due inquiry, no inquiry was held. My lord, the occurrence, alleged occurrence took place in 2018. Only in 2024 by letter dated 22/7/2024, annexure C at page 28, my lord, petitioner was summoned to appear before the registrar, my lord. So he appeared, my lord, and he was asked about the occurrence. Then he explained it, my lord. Only that margin. Thereafter, after returning back to Silchar, he received this letter, this order, my lord, and dated 25/10/2024. That also he received it on 5th of November, my lord. And he was asked to surrender his license, all the original certificates within 3 days, my lord, from the date of issuance of this order, my lord. My lord, he was not furnished any copy of the allegation about the charges. He knows nothing, my lord. In fact, the operation which was conducted by team of doctors. He was not alone, my lord. And he was only, my lord, victimized, my lord. He has been cornered and only he has been, his license has been cancelled, my lord.
No, it has not been cancelled, suspended. for 6
Suspended, my lord, that is there, my lord. My lord, the question of his reputation is there, my lord.
That too, we have to call for the records then.
Yes, my lord, your lordship may call for the records.
When can I produce the record?
Lordship, they will come after 2 weeks.
Come after?
Lordship,
Every
2 weeks.
Chaudhary,
Lordship.
counsel for the writ petitioner. This writ petition is filed challenging the order dated 25/10/2024 issued by the respondent number. Respondent number 6, removing the name of the petitioner from the register of medical practitioners for a period of 6 months by invoking the powers conferred under the Indian Medical Council bracket professional conduct, etiquette and ethics bracket close regulation 2002. You'll get it in page 29. Ms. Chaudhary submits that the interim order has been passed without giving proper opportunity to the petitioner to explain his stand or conducting a proper inquiry in due compliance of the principles of natural justice. Mr. D. Upamanyu, Learned Standing Council, Health Department, Assam, has however refuted such submission made by the petitioner's counsel and contends that records will falsify the stand of the petitioner. Having heard the submission made by learned counsel for both the sides, this court is of the opinion that it will be necessary to peruse the record before passing any effective order in this case. As such, issue notice of motion returnable on 9th of December 2024. Since Mr. Upamanyu has appeared and accepted notice for the phone numbers 1 to 6, no formal notice is required to be sent to the state respondents. Why have you implemented respondent number 7?
Number 7.
In private capacity? Then the 9th will not be possible. Then it will go after vacation.
My lord, she is the complainant, my lord.
But then
According to the, my lord.
Registered post notice cannot go.
Yes, my lord, I'll find something.
Then it shall be 9th. We make it 16th December. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 7 by registered post with AD within 3 days from today. On the next date fixed, the learned department. You are appearing in this case?
For 1, Lordship.
Mr. D. Bora, G. Assam for 1 and 2 to 6. On the next date fixed, the learned SC Health Department to produce the relevant records.
Highly obliged.
My lord, till then, my lord.
Prayer for interim relief will be considered on the returnable date.
Highly obliged.
Order impediment of party hypertension.
May please, your lordship. This I have been filed for impeding new party respondents in the contempt application. My lord, I noticed that some errors have crept in the IA, my lord. May I pray for
With
withdrawal?
the
of-
request of Mr. B. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the applicant, this IA is permitted to be withdrawn
With
with
liberty.
liberty to file afresh after rectifying the defects. You are appearing? Yeah. Mr. B. Patel, Learned Counsel is present on the respond number 3. I stands disposed of according.
For admission, item 17.
May I please, my lord, this is regarding non-payment of arrears salary of the my lord, petitioner. Now, in the affidavit, lordship will find para 11. Just, my lord, admitted and the matter has been referred to the higher authority. Now, higher authority means the director. That is the plea raised by them, my lord. Affidavit filed by the CDPO, respondent number 6, para 11, my lord.
Who is appearing for the director?
Lordship, I am. Lordship, only obtain it.
You are appearing for
All the.
other.
No, Lordship.
6 also you are appearing.
6 Lordship.
So the 6 is saying I send it to 2. And 2 doesn't say anything and you are representing both.
This affidavit has been filed, Lordship.
Hmm?
I am appearing 1 to 6, Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, some time will be required, Lordship, will bring instruction,
How
Lordship.
much time? 10 minutes, 15 minutes?
Lordship. 7 this time, Lordship.
7
7 days, Lordship. Well, instruction, Lordship, bring the instruction, Lordship.
Mr. M. Mondal, Learned Counsel for the writ petitioner has referred to the statements made in para 7 of the counter affidavit filed by the respondent number 6 to submit that. Although the matter has been referred to the respondent number 2, no further steps have been taken to release the salary of the petitioner. Mr. A. Chakravarti, Learned G. Assam, appearing for the respondent numbers
1 to 6, Lordship.
6, posting of this matter again after 7 days with an assurance that specific instruction on behalf of the respondent number 2 shall be obtained and placed before this court by the next date fixed. Respondent number
5, Lordship.
Mr. 1 to 4 and
No, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6, Lordship.
1 to 4 and 6. Mr. B. Chakravarti, Learned CGC is present for the respondent number 5. On the request of Mr. A. Chakravarti, this matter is directed to be listed again after a week.
Lordship. Oblige, Lordship.
Oblige. Para 11 of the affidavit.
Lordship.
Para 11 of the, not 7.
Oblige, take care, Lordship.
Here, your lordship, we have received I am appearing for respondent numbers 3 and 4. I have received the parallel comments. Let me file an affidavit to this regard.
Before I got
Sorry?
we will file an affidavit, but we haven't received the instruction, but we will also file that. With the
You are appearing for
Ballot 1, 5 and 6.
and you are for?
For government, your lordship. DC.
What is the respondent number?
Respondent number 3 and 4.
3 and 4.
3 and 4.
Mr. Nayak, you are for?
Respondent number.
You think Mr. P. Nayak, Learned SC Finance Department, appearing for the respondent number 2, Mr. R. Dhar, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate Assam, appearing for the respondent numbers 1, 5 and 6, and Mr. D. Bora, Learned G. Assam, appearing for the respondent numbers 3 and 4, have prayed for 3 weeks' time to file affidavit by submitting that necessary instructions have already been received by them. The prayer is not opposed by Mr. K. D. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the writ petitioner. In view of the above, let this writ petition be listed again after 3 weeks.
Supplementary list for admission item 31.
Lordship, Senior Counsel lacks in code number 17. For
The prayer of petitioners counsel, this matter stands passed over for the day.
No, but Thursday may be fixed, the affidavit is ready only from Silchar
List
Thursday.
again in the next week. Yes.
No, Monday, that may be fixed because interim should be supposed to be considered, my lord. That is why, my lord, that may be fixed.
Monday. This taken on 18.
I'll make motion matters, I will make.
May I please your lordship?
What is? Huh? Where is the order?
Yes, lordship. Last order I have annexed to
Yeah, next is
52.
Page?
page 52.
52.
So this is item 8, page 52. Name of the council you have to change. Petitioner's council.
MD S. Ali.
Huh?
MD S. Ali.
What is it?
S. Ali.
On 611, another order was.
Where is the 611 order?
Yes, lordship.
That is there with Chaudhary, 611. order.
I will provide it.
Go by the 611 order, huh? Just the name of the council will change. And your case also same. Item 11 also same. 8 and 11 are same. There is an order of 6/11/2024. Follow that order, that's all. Just the name of council and number of petitioners. That order is given to Chaudhary. Chaudhary it has been given. Huh? Item 11 candidate is female, so he will become she. And in item 8, there are multiple candidates.
Two.
There will be, huh?
Two candidates.
Two candidates, petitioners. In item 11, name is HR. HR. Dispose of.
Apply.
For orders, item 19 to 26.
May please the lordship. Lordship can take up item number 24. All are same. 22. Because pages I'll show where the order is there to reinstate us. Item number 22.
What is this contempt case of
This is the
2018?
contempt case, yes. Now what had happened is that we are the bank employees of Assam State Apex Bank Limited. And then we were retrenched under a wrong provision of law. We should have been retrenched under section 25F of the Industrial Dispute Act, but they had retrenched us on a different law, which is wrong. And the learned single judge held that this is totally a wrong retrenchment, so directed them to reinstate us and to pay our back wages. The order was of 2019 and they have not followed till date. Lordship will see the operative portion, paragraph 25.
Sure.
Page number 91 in item number 22.
Which matter, which case you are?
22, Lordship can take it up, same judgment, but 22, page number 91.
Give me the
Depend
record of item 22.
Hey, I had to clear this. Main case to this. I had to clear this. Page 91.
91 of the main writ petition. The contempt petition. Lordship will see page number 91 of the contempt petition. 468. Page number 91 of 468 contempt petition. Paragraph 25. In view of the reasons stated above, this court finds that the interim orders dated 22/10/2009 terminating the services of 265 members of the employees is arbitrary and accordingly set aside. The decision of the board of directors dated 22/9/2009 is also set aside. If the respondents decide to terminate the services, petitioner services, they'll have to comply with 25F of the Act. The import of the direction to comply with 25F of the Act requires the petitioners to be reinstated back into the service, which should be done by the respondents at the earliest.
So is the Ascot Bank still functional?
No, ma'am.
That is disputed.
That is the issue, my lord.
That
is the
writ
issue.
is
But the
pending.
point is, you have just set over this order.
No, my lord, in fact, what has happened, there is crunch of fund. Reinstatement would also mean, my lord, requirement of more than 100 crores of rupees. So this decision is at the government level. Because now Ascot Bank doesn't have any money, my lord. So if it is provided from the government, then the revival, my lord, process would be initiated. So this is the decision.
And if it is not provided, then no.
Then it will go for liquidation, my lord.
So the government official is not a party in this case.
Government,
They
my lord,
are. Lordship, we
government
have-
officials are party, my lord.
Yes, they are. We have
But-
completed a new.
But your lord,
ordinance.
my lord, in that case, my lord, I will make my submissions, my lord, because the directions were, my lord, only to the officials of the escort bank.
Hmm.
And, my lord, eventually government is also not liable. Under law, not liable to, my lord, provide the fund. It is the escort bank, my lord, who is, my lord, responsible or liable to pay the area salary and reinstate them. But nonetheless, my lord, the government officials have been made party, my lord.
Government is also there along with the bank.
না গভর্নমেন্ট অফ পার্টি করিস কিন্তু গভর্নমেন্ট অফ ডাইরেকশন না গভর্নমেন্ট হলে
And the respondents, the direction is to the respondents.
বিকজ সুপ্রিম
If the respondents decide.
the my lord decision is forthcoming on 19th, my lord. By this time, by 19th, my lord, it will come. The connected petitions are fixed on 19th. So I made a prayer in the, my lord, my lord, at the mention hours. Lordship may take up, my lord, after 19th, my lord.
What is the decision coming on 19th?
My lord, either to revive or to go for liquidation, my lord. If there is a revival by providing funds from the government, then this, my lord, contempt application.
So you mean that the government is deciding whether 100 crore rupees will be provided
Yes.
for just for implementation of this court order? Is that what you're saying?
Yes, my lord. In fact, for revival of the bank. So once, my lord, bank is revived, then the orders, my lord, can be implemented. There, because their, my lord, restoration, my lord, would require, my lord.
The bank is not in existence today.
No, no, my lord, no function, nothing, my lord, non-functional.
Since when?
My lord, he is representing the bank. My lord, he would be more, my lord,
Then
competent.
who is the bank official? Who are you representing here?
Presently, I am representing bank. Chief
Huh?
Executive Director is there.
Who is the chief executive director?
At present.
Please respond.
What is his
number five.
name?
So many times he appear personally also, Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, in this matter, everything depend on the government, Lordship, because if the bank revives, then it will settle the problem, Lordship. And if liquidated, then they will get the share, Lordship, whatever the amount, Lordship.
Who is the executive director of the bank?
Please respond number 5. Initially, Ghana
I
paper
think
was
he's
there.
not added the new incumbent. Lordship.
New incumbent is part of.
He is not implemented herein. He is a new one, my lord.
Yes, now is the PK Agrawal.
When
But
we
this
filed-
bank has been non-functional since when?
So many years, Lordship, after 96, Lordship, bank crisis is started. And so many employees.
Then why have you not sought review of this order?
No, they had filed one
No,
appeal. That was
one-
also dismissed in between.
Yes, that was recently, 2024, it was dismissed.
There, they did not say that the bank was inoperative. They had lesser number of employees.
Just said, Lordship, because there was an order from the Honorable Supreme Court also.
Saying what?
With the 50%.
Honorable Supreme Court
50
said that
consider
because of
50%
financial problems, to bank to pay us 50% of the wages. There were less employees.
That have been paid. Only remaining is not reinstatement. If there is no bank, Lordship, how we can reinstate them? Lordship?
That was
That you have to get this order modified then.
Then we have to file it before the Honorable Supreme Court.
What do you
Yeah,
want
then
the
appeal.
judge to write your application to file it? You file it. Let them come again personally. No, I'm not finding any. See, first of all, I'm surprised how this order is
2017 order.
Yes, yes.
My lord, my only prayer is, Lordship,
And then, but the difficulty is you have also accepted the order.
my lord, my only prayer is, Lordship will kindly, my lord, defer until 19th, my lord. 7-10 days, my lord, more. Thereafter, your Lordship may pass appropriate orders.
And
And
Lordship,
this is my
in
prayer.
the Other repetition, Lordship, this repetition issue is only regarding this bank, Lordship. Addition, Honorable Advocate General also appearing, Lordship, in this matter. And government taking seriously, Lordship, if any decision will come, Lordship, if revised, then it will be.
Ms. So-and-so is present for the petitioners on the request of Mr. S.K. Talukdar, SC Cooperation Department, and Mr. A.U. Ahmed, Learned Council, appearing for the
bank. Escort.
bank. These matters are adjourned to be listed again on 19/11/2024.
My lord, can it be next day, my lord? 20? 20, my lord.
20th,
My lord, oblige me.
2011.
Item 27 and 28.
Item 28, my lord, I have filed my power for today, my lord, for number 2, my lord. Also allow me 3 weeks time to file my affidavit. my lord.
Lordship, I am filling this, item number 28.
Well, I think,
Yes, Lordship.
3 weeks time to file my affidavit. my lord.
In 27, you write Ms. K. Pujari, K. A. Pujari, learned counsel for the petitioner in item 27, and Ms. L. Devi, learned counsel for the petitioner in item 28 are present. Mr. S. Bora, learned counsel, submits that he has recently appeared on behalf of the respondent number 2 in item 28, and therefore be given 3 weeks time to obtain instruction and file affidavit. The prayer is not opposed by the petitioner's counsel. In view of the above, let these matters be listed again after 3 weeks. In the meantime, affidavit on behalf of the respondents be brought on record.
I have filed my appeal today, my lord.
He has entered appearance by filing wakalatnam on behalf of the respondent number 3, respondent number 3 in item 28 today,
Lord.
and therefore praise for
Obligation.
Item 29.
last week.
May I please your lordship? This IA has been filed with a request, with a prayer to extend the order dated 24/5/2024. What happened, your lordship? In this case, time to time, the interim order is being extended. That is on 14/6, 19/7 and 31/7/2024. Thereafter, what happened, your lordship? In the morning hours, we have to mention the matter for adjournment with the consent of other side. So due to inadvertence, we couldn't, we did not wait for the extension of interim order. Consequent upon which, from the last 2 dates, that order has not been extended. And on the last occasion, I have prayed for that, but your lordship has instructed me to file an IA for any extension if so sought for. And this interim order has been passed after hearing both the side extensively.
But there was no affidavit in opposition or instructions on that particular day motion hearing. What happened, my lord? The matter has been listed for admission hearing for the disposal, my lord, on 31/7, on 16/8 and 25/9. The petitioner took time.
Yes, with the consent, we have taken time. That is in the mention hours.
And again on 6/11/2024,
Yes.
they have taken time.
With the consent, there is
Now
no
the matter
suppression of
is,
fact.
matter is ready for admission disposal. my lord.
Till then, we need extension of the order. Because in the morning hours, while mentioning due to inadvertence, it was not prayed for the extension. Otherwise, thrice it has been extended.
Which interim order you want to be extended?
24, lordship.
What is the
24,
operative part? Please read it.
Yes, lordship, I am going to. The first page,
Last line, please, operative part.
Yes, having considered above, it is provided that till the returnable date, no departmental proceeding initiated against the petitioner shall be proceeded. List the matter on 14/6/2000.
No departmental proceeding will be, what is the meaning?
Departmental proceeding, ma'am. Departmental proceeding was initiated, my lord. They have filed their reply, my lord, giving every details. And therefore, my humble submission is that the question of they being the prejudice in revealing their defense, they have already revealed the defense, my lord.
No, lordship.
They have not filed.
There was some interim order.
Yes, your
That was that initially, my lord,
Sir,
till returnable.
our prayer was simultaneous criminal proceeding is going in the CBI court on the same evidence, same set of witnesses, same cause of
So
action.
we'll have it on 14, other matters are fixed on that day.
So
Yes,
till
ma'am.
then, till next hearing of the matter, it can be. Our humble submission is
14, my lord, that other matter is which is different department is FCI, my lord. Can it be on 18, my lord?
Right.
18,
18,
Monday,
final
disposal.
disposal.
Yes, my lord.
No, final disposal 18th in February. It can't be, we'll stay it proceeding.
No, I'm ready, my lord.
No, I'm not ready.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
may be ready. You can't decide things like that, no? There was already an interim order.
Yes.
So
there
by
was-
some mistake, it was not extended.
Yes,
You're
Your
catching up
My-
on it.
no, no,
First,
my
Mr.
lord,
Kumar is
my
under
lord, just,
counsel for the-
because there was it was listed for admission disposal, my lord. On their inconvenience.
So the writ petition will become infructuous,
Yes, Your Lordship.
is it not?
An early date may be fixed, my lord.
That's all right. When do you want it?
On 19th of November, my lord, Tuesday.
We'll
hearing.
not give you a date in December also. January choose a date. What is
My
the
lord,
urgency?
lord,
Our criminal proceeding is at the
What
stage
is
of
the
evidence.
earth-shattering urgency?
urgency is that, my lord, the Supreme Court is clear, my lord, that it can be it can be proceeded, my lord.
All right, argue finally. And allow the writ petition to do itself. Argue.
My lord, in December, my lord. In December.
No, you argue then. The
Sir,
same set of facts and
Same
same set of
witness.
witnesses, you cannot proceed. That is the law. You argue? We'll
Like
cross
your
the-
lordship wanted to hear it on 14 November, my lord.
No, but you are-
Because other matters are also there.
what is the issue against the petitioner?
This is, my lord, he was caught red-handed, my lord, for demanding money from the contractor, my lord.
So what, is he still serving or is suspended?
No, he was suspended and suspended was revoked. He was taken into the service. Now he has been reverted back. He was on probation in manager accounts. Now he has been reverted back to AG1, my lord.
To that effect, he has already filed an application before the honorable.
In that case,
Listen, interim will be extended, but the matter has to be heard. They are also agreed. You have to agree to that.
But CBI criminal proceeding is going on.
Maybe it may
That is
proceed.
at the
it may not
stage of evidence, Your Lordship. Charge has been.
like this, not like this. This is not, please stay, please stay.
No,
Don't
if
make
it
these
is-
arguments.
But
This is a high court
same-
proceeding.
Same set.
You
of-
argue on law.
Same set of witness, same set of.
Supreme Court is clear, my lord.
Alright.
RK Meena.
Heard
On,
so-and-so
on,
for the applicant, also heard so for the opposite party. This IA has been filed with a prayer to extend the interim order dated 24/5/2024, passed by this court in WPC number 2521/2024, which was not extended by default on the last occasion when the matter was listed for admission hearing. Stop. You're right. Ms. M. Kumari, learned counsel for the applicant submits that the petitioner has raised a question of law which requires final adjudication. Therefore, if the departmental proceeding is allowed to continue pending disposal of the writ petition, the same would not only prejudice the interest of the applicant petitioner, but would also render the writ petition infructuous. Mr. B. Singh, learned standing counsel for the FCI, has strongly opposed the prayer made in this IA, and by referring to the affidavit in opposition filed on behalf of the corporation on 8/11/2024, submits that the law has already been clarified by the Honorable Supreme Court, and therefore there is no justification for suspending the departmental proceeding at this stage. First of all, Mr. Singh has further argued that the writ petition itself was fixed for admission hearing with a view to dispose of the matter expeditiously, and therefore the writ petition calls for expeditious disposal. Having heard the submissions made at the bar and after going through the statements made in the application as well as the counter affidavit, this court is of the opinion that the writ petition calls for expeditious hearing. However, since there was already an interim order operating in the matter, the said order cannot be allowed to lapse merely by default. As such, the interim order dated so-and-so is hereby extended until further orders. The connected writ petition be listed on 10th of December 2024 as a fixed item for admission hearing. It is made clear that no prayer for adjournment on behalf of the writ petitioner will be entertained on the next day fixed. IA stands disposed of. And in the writ
Obliged,
petition, will write list again on 10/12/2024 for admission as a fixed item.